We're all familiar with cruise control and even adaptive cruise control. But there's a new type of cruise control that has been fitted to the all-new 2020 Ford Explorer that can adjust itself depending on the prevailing speed limits. Aptly named Intelligent Adaptive Cruise Control, this system uses a windshield-mounted camera to scan for speed limit road signs and automatically change the vehicle's set cruise control speed to whatever the speed limit is. To use this feature, click on Settings on the infotainment screen, then Driver Assistance, Cruise Control, and select Intelligent. You can also set a tolerance at which the Intelligent Adaptive Cruise Control will stay within. For example, if the posted speed limit is 70 kilometers an hour, you can set it so that the vehicle will go at 5 or 10 or whatever value you want it to be above or below the posted speed limit. So then the Intelligent Adaptive Cruise will actually be driving at 75 or 80 or even below at 65 kilometers an hour. Once the system detects a change in the posted speed limit, for example from 70 kilometers an hour to 50 kilometers an hour, the Intelligent Adaptive Cruise Control will automatically set the new cruise control speed to 50 kilometers an hour, plus or minus your tolerance threshold without any input from you, the driver. If you want to know more about the 2020 Ford Explorer, click on this card to check out the review. Also, don't forget to subscribe for new weekly videos.